Hey guys, Raim from Killer Inc. here, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the Bishop Coil Collection. The Bishop Coil Collection is a collaboration between Bishop Tattoo Supply and tattoo artists Norm and Big Sleeps. So let's have a look. Both of these coil machines from Bishop are suited for lining, with the Norm version actually a fast liner. Norm and Big Sleeps are known for their killer script and lettering work, so these Bishop coil machines will be perfect for artists with similar styles. The Bishop Big Sleeps can be used with a large range of liner needles from 3 to 18 liner, but it's especially suited for larger needle groupings. This handmade machine features 8 wrap coils and a custom built steel frame in the shape of a B, signifying the artist Big Sleeps. The Bishop Norm is a general all-purpose liner that runs fast on a low voltage. Handmade by Norm in LA, this coil machine has a lightweight blued steel frame with short 8-wrap coils. It also features a heavy armature bar to accommodate any needle grouping. Both machines in the Bishop Coil Collection are available to order from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. So what do you think of the Bishop Coil Collection? Do you prefer the Norm or Big Sleeps machine? Let us know in the comments below, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.